Hey y'all.
Welcome back to the flip side.
See you on the flip side.
Yeah.
Like, got it.
Yo, this is her very first listing. So proud of her. On the phone doing business as usual. We're assuming.
We are at the North Fort Worth property and we are completely done. We are listed. Today is open house. It's our first week being on the market. Actually, we've only been on the market for 2 days. So we have an open house today. Starts here soon. So we wanted to take y'all on a walkthrough. Let y'all see the finished product. The house is fully completed and staged. So you want to add anything?
No, let's go take a look at the house, see what all Jay's done. Also, she forgot to mention she's staged, so check it out.
I did forget.
You said other things you said?
I said the house is completely staged.
Oh.
Hey everybody, welcome to our house.
So your name?
Madison.
What's your name?
My name is Haven.
And what's your name?
Sarah. So here is the dining room. So you see, you have it really close to the kitchen over there.
So y'all, here's the dining room. Y'all remember this dining room, right? Just kind of plain. This opening here was really small. We opened it up. It was just like one little arch. So we opened it up to just give more room. You know, make the illusion that the room is larger than it is, even though the room is really large and you can see the high ceilings. This is our opal light fixture. So we decided to stage this house with these like trending rattan chairs with the boucle seats and things like that. I found these at IKEA, and although I'm using them for staging, I might have to take these home, y'all. I've been eyeing them for like, what, 4 months now since I first saw them. And they're so cute. Okay, that's so off topic. But, okay, so we have the black picture frame molding wall. Let's see what else we got going on. Come on.
So here's the kitchen. The kitchen oven. We got buckets. So this side.
Let's say, show me the backsplash.
Ooh, yeah. So like this splash tiles on the wall.
So we went with this pewter green on the cabinets. Y'all remember I was a little iffy about the green. Turned out really well. We have the brushed gold pools and faucet, and then this is gonna be a soap dispenser. I just haven't put it in. It's actually under the cabinet right now. Okay, so this is not what you use for this, but people are always like, what is that? Why do you put that on there? This is a cup rinse. So this is how you like quickly rinse a cup or whatever, and then the water just flows right, you know, right into the sink. And yeah, you just quickly kind of get a good rinse on it. Me and Dante did this built-in over here. The cabinets are from Home Depot. There's wood underneath those cabinets to build them up, make them go higher. Y'all, it is so simple to build things like this that add character to a room. You really don't have to spend a lot of money to get this look. If I'm like eyeballing this look off the top of my head, this probably costs $400 or less.
Mommy built this house. It has some nice stuff on it. Vases, flowers, and books. And some paintings. Daddy built it. No. Yeah, Daddy built the doors. So Mommy did.
It has a custom top, plywood top that we just kind of stain with a natural stain. And then in here we have the living room.
In here. Guys, early for TV. Just put it here, I don't know why. Anyway, now this brown house. Whatever. And
pretty simple, nice, clean. We wanted to keep it inviting and homey. We added tile to the fireplace. I used high heat spray paint to kind of give it that matte black look. I always do that to existing fireplaces, just to make it look a little bit more high-end. Now, it's not perfect, but it makes it look a lot better. This is one of the bedrooms. here, you know, just staged as a normal bedroom, trying to let people see what they can do with the space. You can put your bed anywhere, but for staging preferences, this is where I decided to put the bed.
And as y'all know, this is where Jay owes us pull-ups. Luckily for her, I know it is, but it's the open house. You know what you want to do it? You know what? We're gonna make her do it. We're gonna make her do it. It might not be in next time.
I'm gonna do it next time.
If this house sells today, you owe us all pull-ups.
Okay. If we go under contract today, I'm gonna give y'all 10.
Show me the restroom. Show me the potty.
No.
Okay, so here we are in the restroom. Y'all, I have changed this mirror like 2 times. I finally found the perfect mirror in here. I asked my daughter to put this soap in here.
She put it in here already.
In the middle for, you know, gotta keep your hands clean. But we changed that light fixture 3 times until we could really find something that really gave the room some justice. And then just a simple tiled bathroom with nice brass, you know, accessories and things like that.
It's a beautiful touch of work right there.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
And then this one's just another bedroom. I put the bed on the side in this room, but simple. I think this one has a larger closet though.
It does.
Yeah, this room has a larger closet. Master is really big. This house is 1,463 square feet, but this master, like, you really get to utilize a lot of space in here. You know, you can add chairs in front of the bed. You still got places for nightstand, dresser, all kinds of things, y'all. This is a really, really nice sized room, as well as the bathroom. And yeah, it's only, you know, it's dual sinks instead of separate sinks, and it's not a his and her closet, but this bathroom is gorgeous.
Hi, buddy. That's not really safe. You probably shouldn't be up there.
It is not.
As y'all can see, we took the bathtub out. I think at the very beginning when we started filming this house, I was like, okay, no, we're gonna keep the bathtub, we're gonna save money. But then I was like, man, we got this beautiful shower. We can't, you know, leave a builder's grade tub in here. So we added this tub with the fixtures. I love this vanity with the long mirrors, and it's just really nice. And then really large closet that continues over to the side.
We'll see you on the flip side. Bye.
Okay.
There's still more.
What do you want to see?
The backyard. Can I show it?
Yep.
So, here's the backyard. It's really big. Okay. I'm getting the shade. Sorry. Here's the backyard. There's even more here, more on the side, more over there, more everywhere. It snows or something. But hey!
So there's plenty of area for kids to play.
You locked me out! You locked me out! That's it.
Well, thank y'all for joining us on this venture. We did our best to show you the very beginning to the very ending, including Jay's beautiful staging and a beautiful listing.
We can't wait to take y'all along on the next flip. See you on the flip side.
Yeah, home is your shelter and it's your peace. And on the flip side, it could be unique. A house is your home, let me flip it. Create the right space for your living. A place to call home is the vision. You see us flip homes from beginning. You don't see it now, just give it time. We fix homes and we see you on the flip side. Yeah, just give it time. We fix homes and we see you on the flip side.